Hey guys, today we have another recipe from the Bengali cuisine called Bapa Pitha. It's very easy to make with the step-by-step tutorial, so let's begin on the ingredients. Rice flour 2 cups, half a teaspoon of salt, and lukewarm water required. We're firstly going to mix our salt with our flour. Then add water, a little bit at once, and then make your rice flour into a crumbly texture. You know it's done when your rice flour clumps together. Then leave your flour to rest for half an hour. After half an hour, you're going to sieve your flour so there is no clumps. Now to cook this, we've got a pot with cold water at the bottom and we're going to cover it with tin foil. This is going to be steamed cooked. Then poke holes in the centre to allow the steam to go through and cook the Bapa Pitha. Then leave the water to come to a boil. And now the filling ingredients is jaggery and shredded coconuts. You will also need a clean cloth. Now in some sort of small bowl, you're going to put your flour mixture as your base first. Then you're going to put in your filling ingredients in any order in the middle. And then you're going to top it off with your flour mixture and make sure you cover all the sides and everything and press down. Then cover with a clean cloth and turn it upside down on top of your tin foil where the steam should be going onto it, and then lift your cup and leave your Bapa Pitha there and cover with a clean cloth. So it's nice and sealed. And then place a lid on top and leave it there to cook for at least 10 minutes. You need to be nice and gentle when taking it out as it is hot and easily breakable. And it should be steamed cooked inside out. So here we have our delicious, beautiful Bapa Pitha. As you can see, it looks very nice and it's obviously very tasty to eat. It's a nice Bengali recipe and it's great for the winter seasons. And it's especially delicious when nice and warm. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, bye!